Wow. In music, Allegrow means fast. For us, we grow the cell fast. My name is Melody. I'm the co-founder and chief scientific officer of Allegrow Biotech. For many years, many traditional cancer treatments like surgery, chemo, and radiotherapies are not long-lasting. Cancer always comes back. But do you know what lasts long in our body? Our immune cells and memory. Cell therapy harnesses this power to fight cancer. So many good news. 1 month after the injection, the skin tumor shrank to almost nothing. And 11 years, this young lady has been free from blood cancer. But only one bad news. This amazing drug is not for everyone because 1.5 million Hong Kong dollar for one injection and 20 days is how long it takes to wait for the cure. Because the reality is this, turning the patient's immune cells into personalized medicine is very cost inefficient, results inconsistent, and very difficult to scale up. In Allegrow, we have a simple mission. We grow the cell fast by simplifying the process. Introducing our product, AimGel. In this one small product bottle, there are 500 million AimGel particles that can grow billions of patients' immune cells to fight cancer. We can simplify the multiple manufacturing steps into one, and that means we can reduce the cost by half, saving the time from 3 weeks down to less than 10 days, and make cell therapy accessible to more patients in need. Our competitive advantages are the assurance of good cell quality, ease of use, and customizability. And our rapid innovation is our key differentiation point because within a short 1 year, we have many product pipelines lining up for you. But our first target market is CAR-T, led by the giant pharma and the biotech, giving us a bigger ground to validate our product and establish our market. We serve a B2B2C model. We serve all the cell producers across different industries. We now have potential users and collaborators from all over the world. We basically give them the secret spice, AimGel. They cook the dish, grow the cells, and together we bring you a good quality cell therapy. Meet the team that makes everything possible. We have been working together for more than 5 years. We now have 3 filed patents, publications, and awards. And today, we call for your support to help us to jumpstart our journey, push forward our product pipelines, because for too many years, cancer has claimed enough life. But today, we believe with the power of AimGel and the promise of cell therapy, we can finally cancel cancer.
The judges can start with the Q&A now.
A great presentation. I just want to know, because the price of this drug, you've managed to bring it down so much. What is your distribution sort of channel allocation in terms of developing country versus, maybe more wealthy countries who could afford the drug?
Thank you for the question. So we don't have established production yet. So we are aiming to simplify the process to reduce the time of making these cells, because the manpower, those time spent in growing these cells in a very low speed, low efficiency is the major cause of this cost. So by saving the time, we can save the cost. That's our goal.
You're not actually doing the therapy. You're doing one of the steps in the chain, right?
Right.
So
right.
here's the first question. Second question is that who would be your customer? You said that partners, and is that the patient? Is that the doctor? Is that the pharma or hospital? Always ask that question.
Thank you. So our first adopter will be those researchers who do early R&D in the university labs and research institutes. So they bring those early research into clinical trials, then finally benefit the patients. So we are targeting the early upstream users, the researchers. Then, after we have the clinical grade, this kind of a secret spice, the reagent, then we can supply those biotech pharmaceutical companies. So they use this secret spice to make the cells. Then cells go to the doctors, then save the patients.
How do you make money?
So yeah, it's simple. So we sell the reagent to the users by making money, but we want to adopt a B2B2C. So we supply the very core technology, the platform, to the protein distributors. Proteins are all the signals required to activate those immune cells so they can reach the wider users through their established sales channels.
I have a question. What's the barrier to entry? What's stopping 5 more people to come in and do this in a bigger scale and a lower cost?
Yeah, so thank you. So maybe I share a fact here. In the past 20 years, there was only 2 companies on earth can make this. So starting from 2 years ago, a lot of Chinese companies, they are so smart, they are coming to providing something similar for the T cells. But for a lot of other cells, like NK cells, regulatory T cells, those so many other types of cells existing in our body, they have no good way to culture. So it's a technology barrier, to be honest.
So I have a question. Business model, are you a product company or are you a manufacturing platform company?
We are a product company. Basically, we are an R&D company. So we create the technology. So we try to make the production of the reagent. We also want to collaborate or outsource or license the technology to those who can produce this kind of reagent secret spice with a very high standard, like GMP standards.
Okay, thank
What
you.
about-
That's
what
all
about-
for the questions. Oh, okay.
One last
Sure,
question.
Dr. Stevens.
What about FDA approval or any of the approvals from different agencies? Yeah.
Thank you. So for this kind of reagent
Wrap up in one
product,
sentence, please.
yeah,
Thank you.
they don't need FDA approval because they don't go into patient's body.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.